You'll be fine if I leave by the time the sun is out. I do not need a British.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another honest review. Today, I will share my experience using the MWorld Smart Ring. There are days when stress shows up without warning. Long hours, tight schedules, too much on the mind. When I tried the MWorld Smart Ring, the first thing it showed me was you are stressed. And it was right. This wearable is built to understand the body and the emotions beneath it, offering quiet clarity in the middle of everything. Well, before we go through this review, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. MWorld starts with a design that feels gentle and familiar. The ring is shaped from aircraft-grade titanium, giving it a steady feel without adding weight. It sits close to the hand, smooth on the inside, calm on the outside, and easy to forget during long days. With a 10 ATM rating, it stays ready for rain, showers, and active hours. The charging dock keeps the routine simple, and the ring returns to full power without slowing anything down. This thoughtful design sets the mood for the entire experience and leads naturally into what the ring is trying to do. From here, everything else starts to make sense. Well, I know there are a lot of different smart rings available on the market, but this one is a bit different. This one comes with emotional AI and core identity. Once the design fades into the background, MWorld reveals what makes it different. Instead of looking only at steps or sleep cycles, it studies how the body reflects emotion through the day. Heart rate patterns, temperature shifts, oxygen levels, and sleep rhythm shape a clearer picture of inner balance. Emotional AI reads these signals and identifies 7 emotional states that rise and fall with daily life. These aren't treated as numbers to chase, but as quiet moments to understand. And the first time it recognized how overwhelmed I felt, the app suggested a breathing exercise. Gentle, simple, and it actually helped. I pause, breathe, and notice the moment. This mindfulness feature helps slow racing thoughts, reset focus, and return calm between busy hours, making everyday life feel lighter and grounded again. Okay, this direction places MWorld in a new space, centered on awareness and steady support. It turns subtle internal signals into a soft mirror and leads directly into how the ring turns understanding into action. It feels less like data and more like a gentle mirror. Everything comes together through a loop built to support daily living. MWorld observes the body, interprets the results, and follows with guidance that feels calm and approachable. The body battery score shows how energy rises and fades through work, rest, and late evenings. When stress builds, the app offers breathing routines and small reset moments that fit naturally into the day. Sleep analysis connects nighttime rhythm with daytime emotion, helping each morning begin with more clarity. The dashboard keeps everything warm and simple, avoiding pressure or noise. Instead of raw data, it shares gentle cues that make sense in real time and match the way each day moves. Yeah, in everyday use, the ring fades away, and the guidance becomes the part that stays close. Emotional states shift with the day, rising during busy hours, easing during slower ones. Shared circles add support, letting trusted contacts see selected updates. Here, over time, it starts feeling less like a device and more like a quiet companion. Inside the MWorld application, everything is organized with a warm, simple layout. Each tab feels like a small conversation, letting the ring guide you through the day. The dashboard keeps everything warm and simple, avoiding pressure or noise. Instead of raw data, it shares gentle cues that make sense in real time and match the way each day moves. Yeah, in everyday use, the ring fades away, and the guidance becomes the part that stays close. Emotional states shift with the day, rising during busy hours, easing during slower ones. Shared circles add support, letting trusted contacts see selected updates. Here, over time, it starts feeling less like a device and more like a quiet companion. Inside the MWorld application, Emotional states, energy level, sleep rhythm, and key vitals sit on one clear dashboard that's easy to read at a glance. Guidance appears at the right pace, offering breathing sessions and mindful resets that fit into daily life without pressure. All data stays encrypted and privacy stays fully controlled by the user, with no subscription walls. Everything stays open from the start. The features feel direct, and insights feel simple, and the whole experience stays steady instead of loud. Well, if this video is helpful, check out the link in the description for more details on the MWorld Smart Ring. The ring doesn't just track how I feel, it helps me feel better. Well, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.